to the latest episode of my 11K dollar challenge where I'm trading on margin, selling naked calls on Meta, looking to make around $100 a week. So we're about week 10. I've done 10 trades. I try to do a trade once every week. And as you can see at the moment, we have made a total on this account of $141, which is a return of 1.3%. And the reason why the gain is not anywhere near around 1,000 is because of these two margin call trades on two other naked Meta covered calls. So I initially started selling three contracts of Meta of covered calls, which two got me margin called. So that has put me in a $600 loss from the very beginning. We've managed though to keep rolling out this one contract where we have now managed to make $740, which when you minus the two numbers gives you the 140. So in the last trade, we sold the $177.50 covered call for $95. We then bought that back a couple of days ago for $6 and rolled it down to $172.50 for a credit of 130. So giving us a total net credit of $124 net premium from placing this trade. And here's the screenshot of we're buying it back at $6 and opening it at $1.30 or $130 because it's got one contract. So really happy and excited that we're starting to make that $100 again. So if we take these 10 trades with 740, so it's about $74 a week as opposed to the 100 that we were looking for. But it's showing you that if you get into trouble with this, which is what happened here, I got into trouble with this particular contract, but I managed to trade my way out of it by rolling down and out in terms of these trades. Still picking up net credits. All of these have been net credits, every single one of these trades, but obviously I got this deficit of a margin call there. So again, good to see us getting back to where we are. If we have a look at where Meta is, again, we've been trading. We've got the lows around, the 155 to 155 to 157 kind of zone area over here. And I think I mentioned it in my trading for a living, which I'm also selling puts on Meta, is I like to use pivot points. And you can see here how this new September monthly pivot has held or areas of a resistance zone at the moment, and price has completely dropped back down as part of this 4-hour candle. So be interesting to see if it gets rejected, then we still start testing these 157 to 155 lows over here. So I've got the 172.50. It's just under $10 out, which for Meta is a 6-7% increase upwards inside a week. It is possible, we've seen it, but I think the momentum currently is bearish at the moment. So I think it'd be difficult for this to potentially be challenged, especially with this resistance level happening over here. We do have this missed pivot, which is why I've set it to this level, is I wanted to utilize this particular missed pivot because if price did continue to go back up, we would either expect some resistance there or some consolidation at that level. So I wanted to make sure when I rolled it down from 175 or 177, so it's a six five. So that's a $5 drop in strike here. I wanted to make sure that I kind of had some area of resistance coming there, and I think we will get that. We do. Did we hit this pivot? I think we've hit this pivot. So I don't think we have any other missed pivots at the moment. That's been hit. Obviously, all of these have been hit, and this has been hit. So we've only really got this particular one that is still yet to be hit. So that could be something to watch out for if it breaks through September's monthly pivot. So not really much else to report. We're back into normal $70 to $100 territory. Hopefully, I can keep doing that to build up this particular account, and yeah, I think again the key thing is just rolling an option. If you guys are interested to understand how you can trade your way out of trouble, the playlist of rolling rolling an option in the example I've got on the playlist is a put option and trying to avoid assignment, is on the screen now. Strongly suggest you check that one out, and I shall see you guys in the next video.